Hello guys. So I'll review that yesterday trade I took on the GU. It was a good trade near about 5.7 hour. I'll show you the breakdown. So I shared this trade on the Discord. So this is the daily time frame. So I was expecting daily continuation because why? Because we have Monday, Tuesday is the high of the week and it expanded also. So I was expecting Wednesday and Thursday continuation because we have still drawn liquidity here. So this is equal lows. So that's why I marked. I'll show you in the chart. So see, these are equal lows. Price came all the way down but didn't took it. That means what? It generated the liquidity. If you come to the daily time frame, you will see this low, also this low. These all are equal lows, so very good drawn liquidity. I was expecting this Thursday candle to expand towards this previous daily low as well as this equal lows. Okay, so this is the daily time frame. At the time, the chart was looking something like this. We have small wick, so we can expect the expansion candle because expansion days we have small wick, okay, and big body. So if you come to the 4 hour chart, what do we have in 4 hour chart? We have SMT with euro at this is 1 a.m. candle, okay. So we have SMT with euro, and I was expecting this 5 a.m. candle to expand. So expand towards this, down liquidity, 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. candle. So how did I took the entry? So if you see this 5 a.m. candle, if I am expecting expansion, what I need a small wick. Here also, a 4 hour, you will see we have a small wick. We already formed the swing point. This is the candle one. This is candle two close inside the range, and this candle three expansion, candle four expansion. Okay, this is what I am expecting. Also, we are above the daily open and if you come to the 1 hour chart, what do we have? 1 hour chart, not 1 hour. If I am expecting to take entry on this 4 hour expansion, what I need 30-minute or 1 hour swing point. So if you come here, what do we have? We have SMT. Okay, right formed when at 7 a.m. candle. Okay, 7 a.m. candle we form the SMT inside this M30 fair value gap. And what is this candle? This is a reversal into expansion candle. That means what? We are forming the swing point. If I want to take entry, I want to take entry on the next candle or in the change in state of delivery. And and what I am expecting, I am expecting the next few candles should expand towards the on liquidity. Okay, the major concern part here was that time we already expanded, expanded a lot on that 4 hour open. So the what are the things can happen? Price can, also if you see we are now at the last 1 hour candle on the 4 hour. Okay, so this candle cannot cannot expand always. So it will range or maybe have some kind of retracement, so it can took me out. I knew this, but still the setup was looking so good. And 1 hour we have in time, and also at 8:30 we have news, so I was expecting some kind of volatility will come. Okay, so when this candle was forming, I took the entry on the change in state of delivery. So here we have consecutive down close candle. This is the 5 minute chart. Okay, we have the consecutive down close candle, consecutive up close candle get engulfed, and we have the change in state of delivery with fair value gap. Okay, when I open the chart, I supposed to took entry here, but I this candle was expanded, right after open, so I didn't took any entry. I waited for this fair value gap tagged. Okay, then I executed here at fair value gap, kept my stop loss at this body, and was first initial target was 1:2. Okay, now I will explain what I did. So if you see here at 1:2, I booked 50% of my profit, and rest runners I left open for this extreme down liquidity. So this is about 4.75 hour, but I took, I think, near about 2% profit on this trade. Okay, so let's come to the chart and I'll show you. So this is how the daily candle formed. It was a very good trade, very high probability. Also this Euro USD, I didn't took any trade on Euro USD because it was the strongest pair for yesterday. So I choose GBP USD as we have the clean drawn liquidity to the downside. So if you come to the 4 hours, this is what happened on the 4 hour. See this extreme massive candle. This massive candle formed within this just 1 hour. You're getting my point. So yeah, it hit the down liquidity on the same candle. So if you come to the 1 hour, what do we have? I took the entry on this candle. Okay, when we are forming this reversal candle, I took entry and see within the 1 hour. it hit to the non liquidity. So this was the trade. I think most of the people in the server caught this trade, and this is such a clean trade. If I took entry on this 7:30 a.m. candle, if someone missed this candle, they can look for continuation entry on this candle. How? This is entry here is more probability than entering here. Okay, because that time this candle was not closed. So if you see, I'll show you how someone could take entry on this 8 a.m. candle. If you come to the 30-minute, what do we have? So this is the open. If you see, this is the 8 a.m. open. Okay, this is the 8 a.m. open. Let me close this. So 8 a.m. open, what did it went up? Okay, it went up to liquidity here, short-term liquidity, and closed below this up close candle. So this is more refined entry. Okay, that means what? This is the 8 a.m. week has been formed. Now we can look for continuation, and stop loss will be the body high, maybe 50%. Okay, here, and this is the one more trade. This is also 4.67 hour trade. Okay, see this move. All these up close candle are holding the price. That means what? This is the expansion move. Okay. Yeah. So this is the trade I took. And this week I took, I think, two trades only. One is GBP JPY. I shared yesterday, but I mismanaged this trade. Okay, so that was also a win. But yeah, it is what it is. But GBP, yeah, this trade was also so good. I mismanaged here. I I exited here. So this is a missed winner, and also GBPUSD win. I could have taken two win or could have made 3% in this trade. But yeah, it is what it is. Thank you.